Who is ready to go inside Walgreens and save a ton of money this week? I sure am, because we have some amazing deals on paper products, household essentials, including laundry care, dish tabs, hair care, body care, everything that you need this month we can save on. If you're new to my channel, I'm the third shift couponer. I go couponing usually pretty early in the morning after my third shift job. That's how I got my name. Or I'm Amanda. It depends on what you ever feel like calling me. But we have amazing deals this week to save on. And if you're new, I do a printable breakdown. You can always edit it to have the deals you want to do in store and then print it out, or you can just look it up on on your phone while you're in the store. If we do use any rebate apps, I do have them linked down below in case you're new to any of them and you want to get a little bonus for signing up. There also is that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of the channel. And we have I Got It Only For You, spend $30, get $6 in Walgreens cash, and I actually got a monthly spend booster as well. It's been a hot minute since we got those. I usually don't complete them, to be quite honest, and especially since we're the second week in, I don't know if I'll be trying to do it, but it's spend 30 5 times, get $20 in Walgreens cash, which isn't bad. But it just depends on what deals we have the rest of the week, or the rest of the weeks of the month and everything, plus what kind of digital coupons and what stock there is. But yeah, without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Great deal on Axe deodorant. They are buy one, get one 50% off this week. There is no register rewards or Walgreens cash coming back for this deal, but it's still a really good price to stock up. So one at full price, one at 50% off will be $11.23. We have a $6 digital coupon, so we'll make them $5.23 for both. So this week, Irish Spring and soft soap products are on promotion for buy two, get $2 in register rewards, and there's two different ways to do this deal. You can do both of them as long as you do them in separate transactions. The first way to do this deal is to grab the soft soap hand soap refills. All of these products are $5.99, so no matter what you grab, the totals are going to be exactly the same. So grabbing 2 of the soft soap hand soap refills will be $11.98. We have a $4 digital coupon specifically for them, so you'll pay $7.98 at the register. We'll get the $2 register reward for buying 2 products, making them $5.98 for both. So the other way to do this deal is to grab either the soft soap the body wash. You can grab the Irish Spring body wash, or if your store stocks it, the Irish Spring bar soap. I know all the stores don't stock this, but if this is a product you like, hopefully your store stocks it. But grabbing 2 of these will be the same math, like I said, so $11.98. Then we have a different $4 digital coupon, so you'll pay $7.98, get the $2 register reward, making these $5.98 for whatever 2 you grab as well. We have this deal back, guys, and I really like it. It's really good savings on these Olay premium body washes. So they are buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $10. You'll grab 2 of them for a total of $20. We have a $7 off of 2 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $13 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $8 for both. Alright, so we have good savings on Dove body wash. They are buy 2, get $3 in register rewards. So you'll grab 2 of the women. You cannot grab one of the women's and one of the men's for this scenario because there's digital coupons that are different. So grabbing 2 of the women will be $16. We have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll pay $11. Get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $8 for both. Now if you grab 2 of the men, it'll still be $16, but the men has a $4 digital coupon, so you pay $12 for these, but still get the $3 register reward, making them $9 for both. Axe body wash is also on great promotion. They are buy one, get one 50% off. There's no register rewards or Walgreens coming back, so grabbing 2 of them will be $8.98. We have a $5 digital coupon, making them $3.98 for both. Now, if you're doing an online deal, grabbing the Axe deodorant stick and the Axe body wash might be slightly better online because you can always use promo codes if you find any. Right now this week, select Shea Moisture or Nexus products or spend $20, get $10 in registry rewards. And unfortunately, there's no more $10 products at my store. I believe like this one used to be $10 or the blue ones, but unfortunately, $11 is the cheapest price at my store from now on. So grabbing two at $11 each will be a total of $22. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $17 at the register, but we'll get the $10 registry reward for spending the $20, making them $7 for both. Or if you prefer to grab Nexus products, you can. They're part of that same promotion. So if you're going to do both these deals, make sure you do them in a separate transaction. But the Nexus products are all $16. You'll grab two of them for $32 to make sure you're over that $20 mark. Then you'll use a $8 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $24 at the register, but we'll get the $10 registry reward for spending the $20, making them $14 for both. Now, check your Fetch Rewards. Nexus is a product we do get quite a few rebates for. I personally don't have any. Same with like Olay and Old Spice and Axe. Those are all big Fetch Rewards items. I don't have any that are worth my while. I think I have one for like Old Spice for like spend 30, get 2,000 fetch points or something, so it's not worth my time, but definitely check your account and see what you have. Alright guys, so I don't know if I'm going to do this deal. I can never get the $4 digital coupon to attach to anything, even though it attaches online, so yeah. But the deal, they're not tagged, but the deal is buy two, get $4 in registry rewards, and these ones are on sale for $5. So grabbing two of these sides will be $10. We have a $4 digital coupon, so that means we'll be left to pay $6 at the register. We'll get the $4 registry reward for buying two, make them $2 for both, which is really good savings. But I believe, if I can never get it to work, but if I remember correctly, that it used to work on the pump style, but my store no longer carries the pump style. This is all they carry now. So I don't know if that's every store or what. But if you don't want to struggle to get that $4 digital coupon come off and have to contact customer service if it doesn't, this deal is available online for Walgreens Cash, so you can get Walgreens Cash instead of registry rewards. The last hair care deal we have is on the L'Oreal Elvive. They're on promotion this week, two for $11. We have a $3 store coupon that will say My Walgreens on it, so that means it's a store coupon, and that's what the tag shows, but then we'll also stack with a $3 off of two manufacturer coupon. So instead of being two for $8 like the tag says, it will be two for $5. Now, quick mention, if you are grabbing this deal and using a store coupon, that counts against any spend booster. So if you're like me who has a spend 30, I would have to grab $33 worth of products if I'm grabbing this L'Oreal. Alright guys, this is a repeat deal. If you haven't done it yet, I'm just reminding you of it. If you've done it already, I'm sorry. But Select Oral-B and Crest products are buy three, get $5 in registry rewards, and select ones are $3.50. You'll grab either three of the Oral-B toothbrushes, or if you can find some of the Crest toothpaste that's on sale for $3.50, grab three of those. Your total will be $10.50. Use a $5 off a 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $5.50 at the register. Get the $5 registry reward for buying three, making them 50 cents for all three. Colgate products are on promotion for buy two, get $3 in registry rewards, and they're on sale for $4.50. So you're going to grab a toothpaste for $4.50. Then you're going to come grab either a toothbrush for $4.50, or you can grab one of the mouth rinses for $4.50. But grabbing these two products will total you $9. We have a $2.50 digital coupon for the toothpaste and a $2.50 digital coupon for either the mouth rinse or toothbrush. You'll be left to pay $4 at the register. We'll get the $3 registry reward for buying two, making them $1 for both. Awesome savings on Tom's of Maine toothpaste. They are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get $2 in registry rewards. Now, I've seen this deal a lot more recently, which is great if you like this brand. So grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off will be $10.48. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $6.48 at the register. We'll get the $2 register reward for buying two, making them $4.48 for both. So I just want to point this out, but a lot of the toys in the toy aisle are 30% off. There's one or two 50% off that I've seen, but if you need a quick, easy gift idea, you can grab something from here, save some money, and maybe use some Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket at the register. So this deal was actually advertised in the ad this week. I did do this deal last week. If you want to check out last week's video, you can for that deal. But I just want to say I grabbed one of the regular Tide Pods, I want to say. Yeah, one of the regular Tide Pods and then one of the liquids. And that deal worked out perfectly. There's $3 digital coupons for both of them. Everything worked out. We have a beginner-friendly deal on select laundry products. They're on sale for $3.79, and there's digital coupons for them. So you can grab this Downy Soft for $3.79 with a 75-cent digital coupon, making it $3.04. Same with this Downy Unstoppables. This is the travel size, so with that digital coupon, it'll be $3.04. Or we have these Bounce 5-in-1 60-count dryer sheet for that same price. With that digital coupon, it'll be $3.04. Tide Simply is also $3.79 with the 75-cent digital coupon. It'll just be $3.04. Or you can grab any of these Snuggle products or the all dryer sheets. They all share the same dollar digital coupon, so these would be $2.79. So we have this normal deal, like always this week, for participating select Bounce, Downy, Tide, and Gain products. They are buy 4, get $5 in register rewards, and select ones are $5.49. Those are the ones that are included that you're going to be looking for. So depending on what kind of digital coupons you have, depends on what kind of products you would grab. You can grab something like these small packs of the Tide Pods. You can grab the smaller Tide liquids or the Gain liquids. If your store carries the small packs of Gain flings, you can grab those. You can grab something like the Downy Rinse and Refresh, the larger bottle of Downy Softener or the Gain Softener. Some of the Downy and Gain scent boosters are included. We also have some dryer sheets that are included. So grabbing 4 products will be $21.96. Using a dollar digital coupon off of each, you'll be left to pay $17.96 at the register. Then we'll get the $5 register reward for buying 4 products, making them $12.96 for all 4. Like I said, you may have different digital coupons. You may have better digital coupons, so your total may fluctuate. We have this phenomenal deal on Palmolive and Suavitel. They are buy 2, get $2 in register rewards, and these are on sale for $2.99. So you'll grab one of the Suavitel, then you can come grab one of the Palmolive dish soaps. These 2 products will total you $5.98. We have a dollar digital coupon for the Suavitel and a dollar digital coupon for the Palmolive. You'll be left to pay $3.98 at the register, but we'll get the $2 register reward for buying 2, making them $1.98 for both. Right now, select Cascade, Dawn, Mr. Clean products are part of our promotion for buy 4, get $2 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4.99. I did this deal like 2 weeks ago, so I don't have any digital coupons, but you can grab the Cascade as part of that deal or the Platinum Plus. We do have the Dawn Power Wash is included. There's $2 digital coupons if you haven't used it. The Dawn Platinum is included. And if you have that booklet that got mailed out, there's an extra $2 Dawn Power Wash coupon in there. The Mr. Clean Freaks are also included and also a great item to grab. So the Swiffer Power Mop is on sale for $29.99, and there's a $10 digital coupon. It's basically the same price as Walmart, and if you buy that Walmart, I think you get $10 cash back, or if you have the booklet, you can use a $10 coupon. But this also tracks towards any digital spend booster or paper booster, so you can grab additional savings if this is a product you need. Right now we have amazing savings on Scott paper products. This week they are on promotion for buy 1, get 1 50% off, buy 4, get $3 in register rewards. So you can grab either the $5 Everyday Comfort Plus or the regular that one's a soft lavender, but the otherwise grab 2 of the $5 Comfort Plus. Next, you're going to come look for the 6 rolls. So this is the $5 everyday price for the paper towel. Grabbing all 4 of these products, your total will be $15. We have a $2 digital coupon for the toilet paper and a $2 digital coupon for the paper towel. You'll be left to pay $11 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying all 4 of them, making them $8 for all 4 or $2 each. hot deal on soda this week. So all the 12 packs are buy one get one free. Pepsi products are $11.49 for buy one get one free. The A&W and all those are $11.99, and the Coke and Sprite are $11.99 as well. Alright guys, so I'm grabbing these 3 promotions. My total will be like $31.48 roughly. After digital coupons, I'll be left to pay about $20.48. So I'm going to be using $15 in register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket that I got last week. So roughly I should pay $5.48 plus taxes. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and I actually remembered to go over the breakdown with you guys. I'm trying to remember to do at least that, and then maybe, I don't know if, maybe I'll try to do it like a rolling register reward deal for the newer people that don't want to spend the $30, but I feel like are good deals to do. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see how far I get with puppy training. Like, it's so extremely time consuming. I didn't realize how time consuming it was. I'm not saying I'm mad, but I didn't realize. That's literally all I do. I get like, after we go outside and he does his business, if he does business, which takes a while, if he does, I get like 5-10 minutes where I don't have to like supervise him, because I don't have to worry about him again, but like I have to be in the area because he already started to try to chew on my floor. I have wood flooring, and yeah, so that was fun. I mean, I know I need new wood flooring, but yikes. Anyway, back to my deals. So I grabbed everything that I showed you, and then like I said, I had a $5 and a $10 register reward from the previous week. Then for digital coupons, the $5 for the Crest. We had $2 for each Scott, so that came off, and then $1 for the Palmolive and $1 for the Suavitel. So my total was exactly like I said, $5.48. So everything came off. And then for the Scott, I lied. I will correct it in the video. I thought it was a register reward. It is Walgreens cash for the Scott. So I did earn $9 in Walgreens cash. I don't know how people show this. I'm not going to show you. I have it, right? I can't fold my receipt very well, but for register rewards, I did get this back. A coupon, or not a coupon. It's an ad. I got this like the same one last week. But for register rewards, I did get the $5 for the Crest. And then the $2 for the Palmolive Suavitel one. So everything worked out perfectly. Like I said, I'm a little nervous about doing the Dove just because like I can never get it to work, and I hate contacting customer service. It's such a hassle for me because I'm lazy. But you can do a great pickup order probably would be the Scott, both Axes, and what else? What else would be good for like a spend 30? I don't know. Maybe I'll have a scenario in the printable breakdown if I can get one. We'll see. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.